Hey you guys, it's Lucinda Carroll. Hope everybody's doing well. So on a couple of my videos I've been making my own ornaments for my Christmas tree this year. And I've actually really enjoyed the process because I'm actually taking some old ornaments that I've had for about 17 years. In all honesty, you guys, these two right here, these were my first ornaments to my Christmas tree when me and my husband got married. So I still had these little ornaments and had just held on to them, and I used them actually for a couple years. But now I'm changing up my colors on my Christmas tree this year, and I said, what in the world could I do with these old ornaments that I had, because I had quite a few of the silk, of the gold, and the burgundy. So I decided that I would paint some of my ornaments, and they actually did turn out really good. I'm really excited to just get my Christmas tree together and start putting my ornaments on them. But some of these that I used, if you'll go back to one of my older videos that I posted a couple weeks ago, is I took some buffalo plaid. I took a buffalo plaid scarf that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I wrapped some of those ornaments with that buffalo print, and they turned out really good, you guys. I was very pleased with that. And so to change it up a little bit, I was trying to figure out what I could do different, because I didn't want a whole lot of the same thing going on. So I decided to paint me some, and so this is the antique white that I painted. I actually painted the gold. I painted it that color because I thought it would probably hold up pretty good with the lighter. And then I painted my burgundy ornament. I painted it black, and I am using matted paint from Walmart. This is the black and this is the antique white. But I really do think that these, well, as you can tell, I gotta go over them a little bit more. This is just my first coat, but still, even after the first coat, I think it really held up pretty good. The black, I don't think I've got to go over again. It held pretty good, and I do apologize. I've got paint and stuff all over my fingers. And I do apologize for my voice. I have been sick for the last 3 weeks, so I appreciate your prayers. I'm claiming healing in the name of Jesus, but I am ready to get back to crafting. I still have some items that I'm still working on that I haven't finished, and I hope to get some videos up this week. But just to simplify this video, if you have ornaments hanging around, don't get rid of those ornaments. Change them up, paint them, or do like I did. Find you a pretty cloth and wrap those ornaments up and put them on your Christmas tree. I am all about recycling old stuff and refurbishing old stuff. Because I'm like everybody else. I can't go out every year and purchase new ornaments for my Christmas tree. So you do with what you got. And so I think this project has turned out really good. I'm making 10 of the antique white and 10 of the black. So I think it's going to really go good with what I'm putting in my Christmas tree. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, that would be great as well. The more people I have following, it just lets me know and lets YouTube know that, hey, her stuff's pretty interesting. So I hope you give this a thumbs up, and hey, subscribe. I'm going to try to start posting this week some other videos of some other projects that I got going on for Christmas as well. I appreciate you guys. Have a great night.